Tip number 558, Gajendra Singh from Rajasthan. 527, Harmandeep Singh from Punjab. 657, Jugam Chaudhary, Uttar Pradesh. 495, Bapi Hansda, Odisha. 142, Piyush Raj from Bihar. 329, Saket Min from Jharkhand. 128, Munna Kumar Brahma from Assam. And tip number 592, Uben Ananthan from Tamil Nadu. The nation record of 400 meter boys youth stands in the name of Chandan Gauri with a performance of 46.99 seconds established in the year.
All set to go. Gajendra in one. Bapi. Here we are going for the final attempt. The race for 400 meters. Lead taken as of now by the lane 8 participant Uben Ananthan. And now at the back straight. Still it continues by Uben, the boy from Tamil Nadu. Now at the bend, there still the lead continues with him. Coming to the bend at the home straight now. From the middle, we see 495 number Bapi Hansda from Odisha. What a lead he had taken, followed by Piyush Raj. Yes, this is very close for second and third now. But Bapi had taken a brilliant lead. Just at the 100-meter stretch, he had made a difference at the bend and finished it very finely. So the initial phase will definitely see the lane number 8 participant taking the lead, as seen on the screens by Uben Ananthan from Tamil Nadu. And at that bend, at the back straight, still the lead continues, but the huge difference in the bunch of athletes can be done. The domination can be done by the other athletes at this curve. That is where we have seen Bapi Hansda from Odisha taking the lead, leaving his co-athletes making a big gap. What a confidence we have seen there. Here comes the result. Bapi Hansda from Odisha clocking 47.12 seconds, taking the gold medal. Piyush Raj from Bihar clocking at 48.02 seconds,